Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss Pretty Links, a WordPress plugin that allows you to shrink, cloak, and manage your links in a simple, easy-to-use interface. You can also use Pretty Links to create short URLs for your blog posts, pages, and other content. This is an excellent plugin for bloggers who want to track their link stats and see how their audience interacts with their links. So how can you use Pretty Links on your WordPress website? Here are 5 ways. 1. Create short URLs for your blog posts and pages. 2. Cloak your affiliate links so that they're not easily identifiable. 3. Track your link stats to see how your audience reacts to your content. 4. Manage all of your links in one place. 5. And finally, use Pretty Links to make your life easier. If you're not already using Pretty Links, we highly recommend it. It's a great plugin that can really help improve your WordPress website. If you gained any value from this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more. And please, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.